Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tutor Ayodele. Don't forget to subscribe. So we want to solve these questions, and these are the options. You know that this one, you can also rewrite it in this way. So for x raised to the power of 7, say x times x times x times x into 7 places, and for this into 4 places, which is this. For this into 5 places, which is this. This into 4 places, which is this. So if you say x cancel x, x cancel x, x cancel x, x cancel x, here we are left with x times x times x. We are left with x raised to the power of 3, and here we are left with minus this cancel this, this cancel this, this cancel this, this cancel this. We are left with x. So if you now differentiate this, we have what? Divide the x using general method. Use this one to multiply this, subtract 1. We have equals to 3x raised to the power of 2. Here is the same thing as 1. Use to multiply it, subtract 1 from it. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So that is x raised to the power of 0. And x raised to the power of 0 will give you what? Sorry, 1. So that's our final answer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.